Welcome to Aylesford, a historic and scenic village in Kent. In this video we'll explore what makes Aylesford unique, from its rich history to charming riverside setting to the modern life here today. Aylesford is a village and a civil parish on the River Medway in Kent, around 4 miles northwest of Maidstone. The village dates back centuries and originally developed a riverside settlement. The historic core includes buildings like the inns from the Chequers and the George House to St Peter's and St Paul's Church, parts of which go back to Norman times. In the Victoria era, Aylesford expanded further with housing for local industries. You also have Preston Hall, a former estate dating from around 1850, later serving as a hospital and now converted into residential flats. The village blends historic charm with modern suburban living, making it popular with families and commuters alike. Living in Aylesford offers a mix of tranquil village life, riverside walks, local pubs, community events and easy access to nearby towns and transport. There is a high street with shops and cafés and a great outdoor space along the River Medway, ideal for walking and cycling and also for family outings. Aylesford has a strong sense of community with local groups, recreation clubs and seasonal events that bring residents together. Property is sought after in Aylesford, and today the average property price is around $380,000 to $410,000. Detached homes tend to be around $500,000 or more. Flats and apartments average around $200,000. Recent sold prices show detached homes above the national average and also strong performance overall. So if you're thinking of buying, Aylesford sits comfortably above many UK averages, reflecting its appeal and transport links. Typical rent prices vary. A one-bedroom flat might range widely depending on size and location, but average from the rental listings are around £1,500 a month, with family houses exceeding £2,000 per month. Aylesford crime rate is lower than the wider Kent average and significantly below the national figures for England and Wales. It records roughly 52 crimes per 1,000 people, which is 28% lower than Kent overall. Overall though, many locals consider this a relatively safe village, especially compared to larger towns. Education is a key part of any village life, and with a number of local schools serving families. Primary schools nearby include the Valley Invicta Primary School at Aylesford, and it's been rated outstanding by Ofsted. Tunbury Primary School and St Peter's of Church of England Primary School have a good and strong reputations. Aylesford also has a secondary school up to the age of 18. It's now been under the new mixed subcategory results under the new inspection approach, but it's been at a good standard overall. Transport links are important for any village or town, and Aylesford railway station sits on the Medway Valley line, linking the village with Maidstone, Strood and connections beyond. There are no direct services to London, but with one change you can get there fairly quickly. There's also road links with the A20 and the M20 nearby. All of these transport options make Aylesford appealing for commuters who want the village life but need good connections. Aylesford has been fun, but the highlight of the day is the medieval stone bridge, which has some real history behind it. The current stone structure was built around the 14th century. It was constructed from local Kentish ragstone, a durable type of stone widely used in historic Kent architecture, and originally had multiple pointed arches typical of medieval bridge design. Today the bridge is both a Grade 1 listed building and scheduled ancient monument, recognitions given only to places of exceptional historic and architectural importance in England. It's one of the best preserved medieval multi-span bridges in the country. It's offering a tangible link back to life in Kent hundreds of years ago. It has remained a working road bridge for centuries, though now it's closed to motor vehicles and it's used by pedestrians, cyclists and horse riders. Definitely a highlight of my time in Aylesford today. In summary, Aylesford mixes rich history with convenient modern living. The property market is strong, but it's balanced for commuters and families. Crime levels are moderate with a general safe village atmosphere. Schools provide solid primary options with established secondary education, and transport links put the wider of the South East in easy reach. This is definitely a village to visit in Kent. As always, we have videos every Sunday. I'll see you next week.